Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you on how to make a customizable quiz. So I've made an example here and I put in test questions in it, and I just have to copy what this cat says for my example, and if I get it wrong it would say it's not correct. So what we want to do on the Scratch page, let's go to create, wait for that to load, and so with this quiz you're going to be able to customize it and you can put in the questions you want. So what you want to do first is go to this events tab and take the one flag click block. We also want ask what's your name, then an if, then else. So this so far it's going to ask this certain thing. Now if we're going to have to make some variables here, I'm going to delete this one. So we're going to have to make the question. Actually no, it's not question. Let's do question number. Alright, and then we'll have to make a list too, which is the questions, and then the answers. We're also gonna have answer number. We're also gonna have questions max and answers max. So then we got the list here, and I'm gonna add just a simple question test, and that would go to questions and add test answer. Right, so now we've got the question and the answer as a test. You don't have to do that, but if you want to test it, that's fine. So then, actually, I'm gonna add multiple questions. Yeah, we'll just add thing. Okay, so we've got to go here, set. I think we're gonna get four of these, and let's set the question number and the answer number and the questions max, answers max. So set question number to pick random 1 to 10 in operators. We're going to do this for both question number and answer number. Then we're going to do in this box here on the circle, question max in this question number and answers max in that. So then we're going to have a value for answers max and questions max, which is the length of the list. So that means you can just keep adding more and you won't have to change this number at the end. So what this will do so far, it will just pick a question, but it won't say it yet. Now we're going to ask item number. So then in here we're going to do the question number, put that in there, and change that to questions. Then we can make a new variable, user answer. So what we're going to do with this variable is we're going to put what the person inputs into the system. So right after this ask block, we're going to do set user answer to answer in sensing. Then we're going to go to operators, put this equals in, then go to variables, user answer, if user answer equals answer number, then we're going to get this to say correct, and for the other one incorrect. So what this part will do here is it will ask the question, then it's gonna get the answer, then this part here will check if the answer is correct. So if we test this thing, that's the question, the answer is thing, that's incorrect. Oh yeah, I did forget to do this item. So what we're going to put in this one, item 1 of answers, we're going to have to do answer number, and now if we test it, question test is test answer, that is incorrect. Hang on, I'll be back. Let me fix this. Okay, so I fixed the code, and it turns out that the answer number is actually going to be picking something different than the question numbers. So what we do instead of this pick random answer max, instead of this, we're going to take that out, and then item, and then question number, and then that's basically it. So thing, hang on. Okay, so as you can see, the question number and the answer number, so the answer number is thing, so that means if we type in thing, that should be correct. We got to, yeah, I did forget to put this back in, so while I was messing around, item, what did I put in here? Questions max? No, question number. If user answer equals question number of answers, so that means that, so actually we can just put answer number in here. Yeah, that's an easier way to do it. Okay, so thing is correct, and then question test is answer test, which is incorrect. Oh, I did it the wrong way around. I'm not smart. So thing, that's correct. Type in something else, that's incorrect. Okay, so then we can go to control and forever, and we can loop that. Now all you need to do to add new questions is, so let me just clear these, is make a little setup here, and then say I want to add what is 1 plus 1. Actually, let's just type 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals, then put the answer down here, and then if you want like a easier way to do it, I'll make an interactive way to do it in the project for the next video, and that's how you can make a customizable quiz.